to Spain. We just saw a sign hidden behind the trees. It still smells like this. Oh god. We're in Spain. We made it. Now we're heading out towards Organya, crossing the amazing Pyrenees.
Organya with the Acro pilots training. There's some guys up there training Acro. We will probably stay here tonight as long as no one chases us, and we will find a way up there tomorrow to do some flying. Are you driving, buddy? Yes. Driving away from Organya in the rain.
Hopefully.
Lemonade just hesitantly drove up this tiny little mountain plateau thing which you can launch from every side. And so we're hoping that something kicks off tomorrow, something other than rain, huh? We're going for our second flight. It is super windy. She's trying to get there. Here she comes.
A la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata. Voy a cantar esta canción.
We just flew from one of the most emblematic spots in Spain. Paragliding kind of started.
Everyone says that.
No.
We had a nice little half-hour flight. Really nice people. And now we're going to hike up. Landed down the bottom, hiked up the top, and now what we're doing, Bunny?
Mamaliga.
Mamaliga, motherfuckers! So excited, we haven't had Mamaliga in ages.
What's wrong?
Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la
I wasn't sure if he's gonna go up. Now look where he is. Already he's gonna be so much. Otherwise it's gonna be third hike.
Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata.
And he's gonna go there.
La 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 la. La
casa del merengue. Top landed.
Y la casa de la bachata. Música, 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 te traigo música.
So buddy, we just left a beautiful sunny place behind. We had a nice flight. Where are we heading into?
Pedro Bernado.
This one's dead. Where it's raining. But it should be a cool place to fly, right? We're going to spend 3 months there. We're going to try.
And less than 5 minutes later.
It's raining. We bring the rain.
No, we don't.
Make it rain.
No. Tortillas de patatas.
Ensalada. We're at, what are we at? I keep forgetting. Pedro Bernado. It's a launch. It's supposed to be really good flying, but you guessed it. It's raining. We're about to start. Just did and is going to again. Weather, huh? You know what weather does, Bunny? Tell me what weather does.
No.
Bunny, what does weather do?
No.
You're driving again, huh?
Yeah.
We're leaving, what was it called?
Pedro Bernado.
Pedro Bernado, because the weather doesn't look great for a while. So we're heading to El Yelmo, where there's a festival and hopefully better weather.
Rain space is mainly in the plain, and we're supposed to be in the land of La Mancha, and those are supposed to be old windmills.
Rains all the time. Where we go, rains. I'll bring the rain.
No. Big pots.
Another delicious lunch of omelets. Yeah, we're driving to El Yelmo. We stopped for a while so my headache could go away and we could have something to eat. And hopefully the sun will be shining in El Yelmo. Make a very nice change. It's a boring one. We're gonna stay this time.
Yes. We are. It's not the boring bit.
The boring bit. You keep recording the boring.
Well, no.
Here it is, El Yelmo. We got a hike up there. Oh my god, that's so high. Hello. Bien, gracias a tú. Estamos en El Yelmo. No vuelo hoy, pero vuelo mañana. Mañana. No vuelo hoy. Tu español es muy malo, ¿eh?